Selecting the right communications partner for a managed care company can be quite a challenge. But with RRD's healthcare solutions, we can help you solve that challenge with our unique combination of technology toolsets, managed care expertise, and multi-channel fulfillment. Our solutions will help you connect your brand across the entire member life cycle, from acquisition through retention, by helping you communicate to your members with the right message at the right time and in the right place. Our solutions not only inform the members about their plan benefits, but can motivate and engage your members to actively participate in their important healthcare decisions. Our expertise comes from producing managed care communications for over 25 years, and through a team of dedicated communication professionals, including team members from IT, customer service, solution development, and operations, combined with 22 managed care-centric production facilities across the country that are HIPAA, SOC 2, HITRUST compliant, our team is dedicated to accomplishing all your communication objectives. Our health insurance clients tell us they prefer having partners that provide a comprehensive set of capabilities. And with RRD, you can achieve this because of the range of communication services we offer, starting with creative services, through production and delivery, and finishing with compliance reporting. Along the way, we offer services including content creation, document versioning, translations, alternative formats, omni-channel delivery, archiving, and postage optimization. Print, digital, web, email. We are channel agnostic. Our focus is on the right channel for the right communication and the member. RRD has the scale and scope to meet the needs of the largest health insurers. But our localized delivery model allows us to provide boutique-type service to local and regional health plans. Our vast experience across health plans of all sizes enables us to provide best practices to help you optimize your communications for improved efficiency and effectiveness. With over 100 managed care clients, we understand your varying needs and how to address them across a member's journey with your health plan. Talk to us today about how we can help you engage your members, stay compliant, communicate more effectively, and drive behavior change. Ultimately, make your life easier. RRD Healthcare Solutions, here to help you meet the challenges of member communication like a superhero.